Hi, today I'm going to make sea hibiscus. A very pretty flower, very easy to make. Materials needed are crepe paper in red, green, yellow and a darker shade of yellow, thick wire, thin wire. This is an orange color crayon, red colored pen, green floral tape and some tissue paper. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is just stencil for the stigma. This is 2.5 by 1 centimeters. Cut one piece. This is for the stamen. This is 16 centimeters by 1 centimeter. Cut one piece. This is for the petal. This is 9.5 by 5.5 centimeters. The stem is 2 by 1.25. Cut 5 pieces. Then this is for the sepal. This is 4.5 by 3.5 centimeters. Cut one piece. This is for the apicalyx. This is 2 by 2.5 centimeters. Cut one piece. And this is for the leaf. This is 11 centimeters by 11.5 centimeters. Cut as many as you like. For the flower, cut a piece of thin wire. This is about 15 centimeters long. Now take the piece for the stigma and cut 5 strips on it about 1 centimeters long, thin ones. Like this. Now take this piece and apply glue on all these strips that we've cut lightly. And take each individual piece and just roll it between your finger. You get thin like this. Now just apply glue. Take the thin wire. Just roll it on it. Like this. Take the strip for the stamen and first just fold it 2 times. Cut the folded, leaving a little on one side. Now make very thin slits on it, about halfway of the strip. Like this. So now just open it. and curl the strips. Lightly just bend them out. Like this. Now just apply glue. Take the wire and then just start winding it just below the stigma. So first just make a circle and then put it at a taper. So you should be able to cover about 5 centimeters of the wire with the strip. Like this. Just open it out. This is how it will look. Now take a petal and take the red colored pen and just above the stem, slightly above the stem at this corner, make a gentle curve and then just fill up this area till the stem, halfway of the stem. Like this. Then take the orange colored crayon and color about 2 centimeters of the area above this red area. Like so. Now just curl the petal and holding, just at the point where the orange color is, just stretch it so you get this kind of a shape, and then just stretch the edge gently so you get these soft curves. So this is how the petal would look. Now just apply glue on the petal, on the stem area. Take the second petal and stick it like this, overlapping. like this. Like so. Take the tissue paper strip and cut about 1.5 centimeter wide piece. Fold it. Apply glue. Take the wire and just wind it below the stamen area. Or the same place. Like this. Then take the green floral tape . And cover this. Now take the petals, apply glue on the uncolored area. Put it like this. So first just fold over the petal like this and then stick over the other side. Just have to hold it for a while because take the sepal piece. First just stretch it a bit, the base. Apply glue. Stick it on the flower. Take the epicalyx. Now in this just cut out very thin triangles, so I'll just fold it first. Almost like strips. Like so. Apply glue. And stick it on the base of the sepal. Like this. Now take the green floral tape. So this is how the flower would look. If you want, you can just open out the petals a bit, like so. For the leaf, cut another piece of thin wire. This is about 17 to 18 centimeters long. Now take the leaf and score lines on it to show the veins. Like this, and just give slight waves at the edge. Turn the leaf over and then take the wire. Take some tape and just wind it on this wire. Apply a bit of glue on the leaf in the center. Stick this wire on this. I'll let it dry. Now to assemble it all, take a long piece of the floral tape. Stretch it, take the wire. So first I'll attach a flower. So leave about 5 to 6 centimeters from the base of the apicalyx. Wind a bit and take a leaf. Now this leaf would have a long stem. Take the second flower. And this is how it's going to look after it's finished.